Your voice gets louder, you can feel your pulse go crazy, and you just can't take it any longer. And finally, you lose it, and your temper gets the best of you. And then you unleash a way of destruction that comes out of your mouth. And it feels powerful, and you're totally justified in doing so, because the person you're going after deserves every last barb, right? But sooner or later, you're going to come down from that high and realize that you hurt someone, and then the sadness comes rolling in. I mean, you're a follower of Jesus, right? Then why does this happen? Colossians 3:14 says, "And over all these virtues, put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity." The Apostle Paul wrote these words to challenge believers to get rid of things like rage and anger, and instead take up things like compassion, kindness, and even patience. He encourages us to act out of love and not let our inevitable arguments and differences break our relationships. So this time you may have failed, and you probably might do so again because we're all sinners. But just remember that the Holy Spirit is in you, and if you cry out to Him, He will be there ready to show you love, patience, kindness, and goodness. And thank God for that.